Welcome back to Roddy's Rides today. Today I'm going to show you a little life hack. All you need is a supercharged car and a spare $25. So we're not going to overcomplicate this mod. Online you can find different companies who have already made little pre-made kits, but they'll run you about 100 to 140 bones. So I am not willing to spend that much on this simple of a kit. So I ran to the local hardware store. Highly recommend finding a little air filter before you start buying your supplies. Then you can figure out what size hose you need to fit around your little air filter. Then you need a connector to connect to your air intake. Let's get this started and let's keep cranking. This is our cold air intake. What we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna drill a hole close to the throttle body, and we're gonna slowly put this grommet in just to have the connector seat in properly and hopefully have no air leaks or anything. So we're gonna draw our hole, we're gonna test our grommet and see how all that fits, and we'll slowly start piecing it together. So we took our little plastic fitting and we stuck it into our hose. Now we took a radiator hose clamp and clamped it around so it's a nice snug fit, nice and Gucci. So now that we've already put in our little grommet, we're gonna and just actually, if you guys want to see what it looks like on the inside. On the driver's side of the car, there's a little grommet down here that comes from factory. We're going to try to slit it open with a razor blade and slide the tube through, and it'll just make it a little bit easier on yourselves. If you have a tube that's too big for this grommet, you can drill elsewhere into a different spot, but this is just convenient and it's easy. So this is the grommet we're going to use. So now that we've passed the hose all the way through, we're going to use our little air filter and put on with a little hose clamp. I mean, that should be done. And we're just going to bolt up the cold air intake, put everything back together. Time for our first start. Welcome back, y'all. This is actually jumping forward a little couple months in the future. So we're going to do a full pull with the sound tube mod installed. And the other thing is I want to get a couple rollers because I didn't get any rollers for the last video. So we're going to actually do a data log real quick and send it up to West at Auto Mafia because I'm missing my Tommy Gun tune and I'm excited to have that back. But I will update you once we get to Mexico. So. So next one we're about to hit, we're going to hit a 60-mile-an-hour pull, and then we'll go from there. So and 60. Definitely moving. Hell yes. Very excited with this setup. I love how it sounds. I love the supercharger whine. But I'm running no timing, so I'm not using and maximizing the full 8 pounds of what my supercharger could be pushing right now. So
way too much. But the future parts will not only help give it more sound, but it will also be also allow me to maximize the 8 pounds of boost on this supercharger. And I can't tell you, I can't like be any more excited. So thank you guys for coming out and watching this video. I know this video is a little bit shorter, but this is just a cheap DIY build of the sound tube for the GT500 or whatever supercharged application you guys have. So if you guys like this video, please go down, give it a like, subscribe. We're almost at, currently last time I checked was like 153 subscribers, which is awesome. We were just at 100 subscribers. So guys, keep it up, keep watching the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Keep it real.